Welcome to another one of my Healing Journeys vlogs. Today we're in London and I'm spending the weekend here with some friends. I don't normally film my life back home because it's mostly uneventful, but I had some plans this weekend and I wanted to bring you along. I don't know why, but I feel like a tourist every time I'm in London. Even though I've been here a gazillion times and might I add also work here, but I'm just a girl, right? Anyways, the first stop is this anime-themed ramen restaurant. It's nestled in a quiet alley away from the busyness of Regent Street. I've been wanting to try this place for ages, so let's go.
Food. I'm so hungry. Really good. Yep. This tastes exactly like grass. But then I know.
No, I was about to say the same thing.
Now I don't have my own place just yet, but I do love home decor and pop-up shops. And they had cotton candy.
It's just a freaking IKEA bag.
I'm not sure where I thought I was on this day, but I decided to go on a last minute date. And guess what? I thought it would be a smart idea to get ready while watching church. In hindsight, this was not a good idea because I couldn't focus at all. Not recommended.
Manuela, that's £14 when you're ready.
It tastes interesting. Is this like a road that cars can come down? Because we literally are in the middle of it. What? Of the road. I love these. I think I might have to get one, but not right now.
Yeah. £2. Anything happens. It's happened to me before. I got stranded somewhere. I'm gonna stand outside. And I just feel like I'm get my stuff on.
It's literally red. I'm not crossing the street.
She's so confident every time. It's so funny.
Remember this happened to us before?
Yeah, I know.
It was literally the day before.
It literally is.
Karaoke people are really loud.
Having fun. Oh,
Maybe we can do that next time.
Yeah, by the way. Yeah.
Should we get a kimchi pageant?
You can have one, I don't want.
You don't like it?
No, I just don't want any.
Okay. Yeah, maybe each of us can get one flavor, and then that way you can have more flavors. Because you're talking about I want to get all of it. Girl, what do you mean?
That's the only side thing.
It's kind of big. I'm not gonna be able to finish it.
Chinatown.